thing working at all? Really, is this thing working? Oh, it's recording. This is Dexter Shot. This is not a movie shot like I normally do, which is like only like 4 videos or something. Well, this is a contest to see which one of you will get a movie. Well, this is like a good movie, a really good movie. Like I really like. Now, it's The Final Days of Planet Earth. Oh, it's really good. It's really good actually. The alien breed is ready to feed. That's a good whatever they do. Well, it's Blu-ray if you have a Blu-ray. Well, to win this, you're gonna have to be able to whistle a good song. Like, you know how those professional whistles go like really fast, like real fast. Well, that's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to see if you guys could whistle. And to do this, you just have to play a song, a soundtrack song. It doesn't really matter. And then after that, you're gonna have to put a video response, and then if you guys want, you guys could guess who I am. I've had a YouTube account before. It sucked. Oh, now I've made this new one, but, okay. So, Dexter Shot. You will get this movie, but post video response. I don't know how, but I will, then after that you post a video response. After you do your whistling, you have to say your email address so I can email it to you. That's how I will give it to you, and then you will receive it. I will look, and I will do whatever I can to see which one's better, and then I will try to look. So you just put a video response, subscribe to my channel, Dexter Shot, and put comments, like this video, and put views. I haven't had a lot of views yet. Well, this video is based on a contest, so you guys can get this movie. It's an awesome movie.